In this video, I will show you how to remove phone number from Steam. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to remove your phone number from Steam, maybe you've changed your number or you've lost your phone or something like that, then the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. In this tutorial, I'll be doing this on the Steam app, but these steps are the same if you do prefer to use the web-based version of Steam. Now, once you're logged into your account, what you want to do is come up to the top right-hand corner to your profile where it says Manage Account, give that a click to bring up this menu, and then you want to come down and click onto Account Details. Now, what that's going to do is take you to your Account Details page. What you want to do is come to this menu on the left to make sure you are clicked onto Account Details, and on here, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see the Contact Info section. So in here, you can see your email address and current phone number. To go ahead and remove your current phone number on Steam, what you want to do is come and click onto Manage Your Phone Number, which is the button just here. So give that a click and you'll be taken to a screen like this. At this point, you're going to get a few options. You're going to get an option to change your phone number, which you can follow if you want to change your number. But to remove your phone number, you can see there is a button here to remove your number. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. If you currently have that phone and you still got that phone number, what you can do is have a account verification code which will be sent to that phone. Or if you don't have access to that phone number anymore, then what you can do, say you've lost your phone for example, you can click this option here, and then all you would do is basically follow the steps through. And once you follow the steps and completed the steps given by Steam, that's going to go ahead and remove that phone number from your Steam account. So that is how to remove phone number from Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.